Hospitals are where we go to heal, recover, and get better. But what about our books, which provide so much knowledge and joy? Every day, books take us on thrilling adventures and whisper secrets of the universe. However, just like us, books can show signs of wear and tear from time to time. Torn pages, bent corners, loose threads, covers coming apart. Have you ever wondered where they can go when they need a little fixing up? Yes, kids, they need care too. That's why we at Gurukul School have created something special, a book hospital. For our book friends, just like surgeons have their scalpels and forceps, we've got our own set of tools ready. Glue to bind, scissors to trim, and thread with needles to stitch. We're all set to patch up our papery patients. Gurukul Book Hospital, where every book gets love and care.